This is the £33,000 T-Rex, a trike with bite. It's powered by a 1400cc engine from Kawasaki, which produces 187 horsepower, the same as a Lotus Elise 111R. But at just 430 kilos, the T-Rex is half the weight. So 0 to 60 comes up in just 3.5 seconds, a figure that would embarrass most supercars. And it will go on to 157 miles an hour, if you've got the nerve. To find out what it's like, obviously one of us has to drive it. And as Jason showed his dislike for all such machines when he drove the Brook RR earlier in the year, it's fallen to me. Now on a hot summer's day, I'd jump at the chance. But it's now winter, and it's cold, wet and windy. So I think I'd better change. I've got a fast, damp track, it's frisky. The worst thing is I feel like I'm going to fall out the side. On the runway, rim, wailing, and that noise all the time behind you of the wailing motorcycle engine, the Kawasaki. Hey, hey, whoa, come on, boy. Through an S one way or the other. Whoa. You don't really know that there isn't another wheel on the back. There just seems to be about the same grip as a four-wheel car until you light up that one wheel with throttle and then it really goes. We're now cornering at about 100 miles an hour. It's slippy, lots of feel to the steering, great feedback. It's so light that your brakes are brilliant, they don't lock up. Whoa, you can power slide it. Whoa! And now the rain's really coming down and there's some big puddles. But again, you don't really feel the rain coming in on you. I mean, my goggles are getting a bit wet. Oh, JP, where are you, Mr. Blazer? This is fun! I'm not getting wet. Whoa! Oh, I'm soaked now. Okay, now I'm soaked. Okay, now I'm soaked. The rain's streaming off my face. Out on the main straight with a bit of oversteer. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you're a biker that's got a girlfriend that doesn't want to go on the back anymore, this has got to be the perfect car. No need to wear a helmet, and your wife can sit there with your girlfriend